Alright, this is my bike check. I just got it 5 days ago. It's Kink Curb 2012. Red and gold, as you can see. I've got Mission hubs, Kink forks, Kink Midtown bars, Kink frame, Kink sprocket, Mission crank arms. I think these are Mission pedals, but I'm getting new ones soon. Mission pedals. These tires are, I do believe, Mission. The rims are Mission. A lot of Mission stuff. The stem, Mission. I'm getting new, grips and far ends. Those are Mission also. I don't know if I already told you, but these are Kink Midtown bars. The bike sounds great. One second. Let me set it off for a second. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm going to flip the bike over. It's 24.7 pounds. I took the brakes off, had a yellow lanyard cable. Yeah, it's my bike. Mission seat thingy. Mission seat, which is plastic, and I hate it. So, that's my bike check. Subscribe.